Hey guys, welcome back over to the channel. Today what we're doing is we're gonna go ahead and change out those bulbs on the F150. Those are halogen bulbs. We went to F150LEDs.com and we got third brake light and cargo light. So it's not gonna be halogen anymore. It's gonna be a nice bright crystal white. It's gonna look a lot better on the truck. I'm gonna show you guys how to go ahead and do that. Everything I do on the channel is basically me winging it. So I'm showing you guys for, this is my first time doing all of these things. So when I do things, it's not like I've done this before. So it may take me a couple tries. It may be kind of weird. I may switch things up right in the middle of the video, but that's that right there. So I'm gonna put the camera down and show you what we're doing. So as you guys see, the lights are halogen. That's because my door is open. Let me go ahead and close that door. So the lights are halogen, and we have to go get up there and get a screwdriver. Looks like a flathead, and we're gonna go ahead and take this down. I'm sorry, it's not a flathead. Actually, you know what? You can use a flathead. There is a... Alright. That's off right here. Let me show you what that looks like. So here are the lights. Here are the bulbs for the cargo light, and then the one for the third brake light. So we have the cargo lights and the third brake light. So let's go ahead and start taking these off. Just turn them and wiggle them out. They're kind of very tight, the bulbs. Just don't break them, when you're taking them out, because see, this one's kind of weird. Not sure which way this is supposed to. I want to say it goes this way. Goes that way. It's so dangerous dealing with these bulbs like this, because when they come out, they're just at the worst angle. And I don't want to crack it inside the lens, But this last one is hard to get. Okay, so there we go. Now, I'm gonna put this up top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the bulbs out. So, there's the bulbs. Go ahead and take these bulbs out, and then we'll go ahead and show you what that looks like after. And it's hard because I can't put the camera down to show you what I'm doing, but you get the idea. There we go. Don't pinch too hard where you're gonna break the bulb in your hand. This is the third brake light. And then there. So that was pretty easy. Let's go ahead and install the lights. There it is. So this one right here, as we read the back, is the third brake light. So that one's gonna go in the middle. And once again, I don't know which side is which. So we're just gonna have to figure it out. I'm not gonna put them in the housing yet until they all work. So the first one's in. Let's go ahead and do the cargo lights. That one. And this one. All right, so they're in. That one's working, this one's not. Let's go ahead and change this one out. And then I'm gonna have to take a video of me putting the brake on and to see if that brake light works. If not, we'll have to switch it around. So, take that one out, swap it around, unlock. You gotta be kidding me. We have a problem. Only one of the LEDs is working. And so everything works, but you gotta be kidding me, bro. Only that side lights up. Two little LEDs out of the whole thing. Now I gotta order it, call them, and order a new one. Annoying. So, I guess we'll go ahead and just plug these back in. And we'll have to go ahead and reach customer service so I get a new one shipped out to me. But the third brake light one worked. So there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this back in now. That's unfortunate because that's just like just a pain to deal with, you know? Just like, oh, something that you don't want to have to like take apart again. That one turns on, that one's got a little tiny light, but not really. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, show y'all at night. So this is the cargo light, and as you can see, it does look kind of goofy because that side isn't as lit as this side because half of the freaking bulb is out. So I went ahead and emailed F150 LEDs. Hopefully they'll get back with me soon. But this cargo light is, if I go ahead and open the bed real quick, I mean, dude, I have all kinds of light back here. You don't even need a bed light. This is bright enough. Like, that looks great. But like I said, it looks kind of goofy. As you can see, it's not as bright. But we're gonna go ahead and fix that. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what it looks like at nighttime. It is super bright. It looks great. But we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.